snuggles the eggs between her tail and belly.
잠깐만. 여기에 더 에그 아니고 이게 뭡니다 하면 the egg.
The eggs. The platypus is taking a nap.
Taking a nap.
Taking a nap. She sleeps during the day.
During.
Uh-oh, the platypus wakes up. She hears a noise. A snake is in her tunnel. It wants to
Once.
eat her eggs. Hisses. Grrr! The platypus growls. Are they going to fight? No, the platypus scares off the snake. The slithers away to find food somewhere else. The platypus eggs are safe for now. The eggs hatch in about 2 weeks. The tiny platypus babies drink their mom's milk.
아기를 낳을 때 몇 주가 걸린대?
2일.
2주. 2일 아니고 2주. 14일 걸린대.
They stay in the tunnel for 4 months until they are bigger.
땅속에 몇 달간 있는데? 땅속에
4주.
다 클 때까지. 4달. month는 달이야 달.